Welcome back to a new video tutorial. Today I'm working with Distress Oxide inks on Photopaper and also with products from WOW and stamps from Pink and Main. I start by adhering a stencil from Stamplorations on top of a piece of photo paper, and then I go on top with Versamark ink. I pick the oxide inks and press them onto my working surface. I let the paper dry or dry it with the heat tool in between every step. The stenciled image from the beginning resists the Distress Oxide inks. For more control over my ink, I use a piece of acetate where I put the oxide ink down. When it's completely dry, I wipe it off with a wet baby wipe. And this is where the magic begins. You will get wonderful results. I cut a tag from the background and adhere some gold foil from WOW with a glue stick. I add some stamping to create more texture. I pick the sweet octopus from the Pink and Main stamp set and stamp it with the WOW embossing ink pad, and I will cover it with white embossing powder. I heat set the images and color them in with Distress Oxide inks. To create some texture, I spritz them with water. After I cut them out with the matching dye, I decided to add a bit more color. Adding some white color splatters. I cut the birthday from cardstock that was covered with double-sided tape, so I can add easily some wow sparkles. I got the birthday also from black cardstock, and I adhere both a little bit shifted to my tag. Finally, I adhere my main images with 3D foam pads.